So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Discord not sending messages but voice chat work. Okay, so guys, if you facing such type of issues like your Discord is not sending the messages, so you just follow this video to fix this issue. Okay, first thing is guys, you simply check that your application is up to date. This is the one of the most uh, best fix to fix your app the fastest way. Okay, because Discord release the update every, okay, to fix their issues. So go for search, go here, click on the option of Discord, and if at the place of open, if it shows the update, so guys kindly install the update. Okay, so now here we check our the last update. So guys, last update is June 19 2026. Okay, another thing is guys, you try to check the channel permission and the status. So guys, voice chat can connect even when the text permission or the channel limits blocks you type. Okay, so slow mode, check if there is a gray cooldown timer next to the chat bar, so you will able to wait or out of the timer before sending out the next message. Second thing is permissions guys, if you are in the specific channels, double check that your role has to send message is permission is enabled or not. Okay, second thing is guys, you try to clear your app cache and the data. Sometimes the corrupted files and local files are the common causes of these issues. For this, simply close your application, long press on your app, go for the app info. Here you simply go for the clear cache, so you just go for the option of storage and click the option of clear cache. Okay, another thing is guys, you try to update the app using the not update the app, you try to check that proper permissions means here, make sure that your application have all the permissions that it needed. Like if you want to if you want to send the voice messages, so you need to give access to the microphone. Okay, want to send the photos and the videos, so you allowed the photos and the videos. Okay, so these are the things that you can allow, and you also remove the option of battery restriction. For this, first of all, go battery uses and make sure that it is back power control and background power smart control. Please not select restricted background power uses. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.